Hey everybody, Scott Grossman with Jeffco Open Space. I'm the project manager for everything we have going on here in Clear Creek Canyon Park, the gateway segment of the Clear Creek Trail and Peaks to Plains Trail. Exciting day. It's bridge set day. So we're gonna drop in a 163-foot bridge tonight, 10 foot wide. It's a H10 rated, so it can handle a 20,000 pound vehicle. We're gonna assemble it here on the highway. Just next to me, we'll have two big cranes, a 450 ton and a 500 ton that's set up here on the highway. We'll have three sections of the bridge that'll get brought in. We're gonna assemble it on the highway, and then the two cranes will pick it up and lift it into place. Right behind me, you can see the two abutments. So right here with the black, you can see the first abutment, and then moving over to the other side of the creek, you can see the other concrete abutment connecting to the trail that's underway or under construction on the other side. It's gonna close the highway for about 12 to 14 hours. Big exciting stuff. This is about as showy as we get here and something we're really excited about. Been working on this for about 3 years to get to this point. So big, exciting day. So we've moved down, take a closer look at our new bridge location. You can see it just to my right here over the creek. A couple fun facts. I mentioned it's 163 feet long, comes in 3 segments. It weighs 84,000 pounds. It's held together with 248 bolts that slide through at those connection points. So there's 248 bolts keeping each piece together. It's designed to withstand a 100-year flood event. So you can see the abutments. In a 100-year flood event, there's still 6 inches of clearance or freeboard underneath the bridge. The abutments themselves, so the pieces, the concrete pieces that the bridge sits on, those are designed for a 500-year scour event. So anything up to a 500-year flood event, the abutments won't get undercut and they'll be fine and good to go. So in a 450-year event, the bridge might be damaged and need to be replaced, but the abutments are good. We do this for a couple of reasons, but one is really resilience, so that we're fiscally, financially, and engineering-wise resilient, so that the bridge can be replaced and the abutments don't have to. So we're here, bridge is set, many hours to get here, a few minutes to move it. The bridge is in place and it's beautiful. Last final pieces, we're grouting the bridge in place and putting the nuts and bolts together to actually attach the bridge to the abutment. But that's it, here it is. It's been a long night, but it's worth it. This thing will be here for generations to come. And with that, thank you all. Be healthy, be happy, be safe. We'll catch you next time.